Poliomyelitis is a highly contagious disease. It affects the nervous system of the human and can bring to general paralysis in a matter of hours. Poliovirus is spread through infected hands, toys, food. It affects mostly children under 5. However, there are cases of affecting at an older age. In 1 of 200 cases, there is non-reversible muscle weakness, resulting in an inability to move. The weakness most often involves the legs, but in 5 to 10% of the cases may involve the muscles of the head, neck, and diaphragm. A global effort to eradicate polio began in 1988, led by the World Health Organization, UNICEF, and the Rotary Foundation, supported by governments and many other organizations. A number of eradication milestones have already been reached, and certain regions of the world, like South and North America, were certified polio-free in 1994. In 2000, polio was declared to have been officially eliminated in 37 Western Pacific countries, including China and Australia. Europe was declared free from polio in 2002. These efforts have reduced the number of annual diagnosed cases from an estimated 350,000 cases in 1988 to a low of 23 cases by April 2015. But in September 2015, World Health Organization confirmed 2 cases of circulating vaccine-derived poliovirus type 1 in Ukraine. The danger is that the infected people have minor symptoms such as fever, rheum, or diarrhea. It is when a person would not turn for professional aid, and thus the disease would not be diagnosed. Experts warn that once 2 cases of the paralytic polio type were identified, there have been at least 400 more infected children. There is a real threat of epidemic. Poliomyelitis cannot be cured. It can only be prevented. Vaccination is the only way of preventing the infection. It is vitally important that the children who were initially vaccinated can absolutely safely receive an oral polio vaccine. Currently, immunization rate in Europe is 95%. Whereas in Ukraine only 14% of the children have been vaccinated, but the rest, 86%, are at risk. Remember, poliomyelitis cannot be cured. It can only be prevented. Our children have the right to be healthy. Every vaccine is the step to be healthy not only for our country, but for the whole world.